आजून मेरेन ह्या तुमच्या टॅक बालकांव प्रोग्रामान तुमी खुबशे गोंयचे पूत जे टॅक्नॉलॉजी आनी आय टी वापरून धंदो करतात वेगवेगळीं कामां करतात तांच्यो काणयो आयकल्यो. पूण ह्या आय टी आनी टॅक्नॉलॉजीच्या जगान गोंयच्यो धुवो गाय खुबश्यो आसात आनी ह्यो आपले आय टींतलें काम करचें करून आपलें घरदार आनी ल्हान भुरग्यांकूय सांबाळटात. असलीच एक गोंयची धूव हें सगळें काम करून वयल्यान एक खडेगाण बुलेटूय चलयता. आयज तुमचे मुखार अनुजा गावणेकार. तुमचे कंपनीची आजून मेरेनची काणी कितें आसा?
I always have passion for life. So, passion for entrepreneurship always was at the back of my mind when I was doing my graduation. But I thought I would gain some experience by working in a company, and that's what I did. I worked for a UK-based company for a few years, and another photographic based company which had a software division. I worked over there for a couple of years. So I had seen the corporate world, and after about working for about 10 years, I wanted to venture into entrepreneurship. I just got married that time, so when I discussed this with my husband, um, uh, I can say to what I am today, he's been the pillar of my strength. So he supported me, and he had that belief in me as well, so that I could pursue my dream of being an entrepreneur. Uh, I discussed this with one of my best friends as well, and she was also into IT. So both of us, we formed this company called AR Solutions.
तुमचे कंपनीचें नांव अशें कशें पडलें?
AR basically represents Anuja and Rukia. That's our first name, and we have a tagline called "Business Made Simple," and basically the tagline itself speaks for itself. So we help out businesses to carry out their work or in a much simpler way.
आजून मेरेन तुमच्या धंद्यान तुमकां कसल्यो आडखडी आयल्यो?
Well, there were numerous challenges for us as entrepreneurs as well, and as more so if you are a woman, and uh, there are other responsibilities as well that you have to undertake apart from this. So we have had our shares of excitement whenever we back new projects, and then there were there were sometimes payments which had us worried as well, and we had to make payments to the employees. I mean, normal business hazards that anyone go through. There were times when we felt that this 9 to 5 job was the best option for us, but we had our family support, so we have stuck to whatever we have chosen for. It's been our passion, and of course it has come with a lot of hard work and sacrifices that we had to make, and so far it's been a great journey for us. So yeah.
आजून मेरेनच्यो सगळ्यान चड तुमच्या आवडीच्यो घडण्यो खंयच्यो?
I think awards highlight a lot of success of yours. So basically you don't strive to get awards as far as business is concerned, but one of the most memorable moments is the Economic Growth Society of India, who has presented this Rashtriya Vikas Ratna Award in recognition of excellent performance and outstanding contribution to the nation. So that's the award that's been very memorable for me, and it always inspires me and motivates me to work a lot more harder.
जेन्ना तुमच्या कामान अडचण्यो आनी फेलियर येतात तेन्ना तुमचे भितर अशें कितें आसा जें तुमकां फुडें वचत रावपाक आदार करता?
So yeah, you see, failure is something that comes as part and parcel, whether it's your personal life or your business. I don't think you can take it that seriously. It's all about, I think, when you have passion for something, I think it gives you that drive, to overcome failures. And even if you do fail at certain things, then there's something or the other to learn from that. So you take those things from there and move on to the next level. It's more it's only about fashion, because it's what that drives you. So what drives me is I try and learn every moment, even if from my successes as well, and it's all about moving to the next level, next step that you're going to carry out. That's not the end of everything. So there's nothing that you got to hold on to for too long, whether it's your success or failures. Yeah, it's all about moving to the next step, and the passion to be successful and is what drives me, to handle failures.
फाटले नदरेन पळयल्यार तुमकां कितें तरी वेगळें करूशें दिसता?
If you have to ask me whether I would still pursue entrepreneurship even after knowing all the hardship, I would say yes, because this is what I wanted to do. I think one of the two reasons why entrepreneurship is my passion is the same thing. I have got the freedom to do what I want to do, and more importantly, the drive I have in pursuing things, or should I say, like the independence that I get, or the work that I want to carry out. Yeah. Even in spite of the failures, the things that I don't think I could have done things differently, because I did things in this. I personally don't have any regrets to the way things have panned out for me as far as this journey is concerned. Simply because if I had to not make those mistakes along the way, maybe I wouldn't have learned I wouldn't have probably been the person today that I am in terms of handling things, or organizing, or planning things. When you start off, obviously what you think about is only success, and but as you enter into this real world of entrepreneurship, you realize what sort of hardships are there, and it, unless and until a person doesn't go through it, you will never really learn or be successful in that way. I think many people initially, I think they don't take a decision of becoming an entrepreneur, because for them maybe, what if I fail? This is the question that's always there in my mind, like what if this thing doesn't work out? I think if you are able to take out that barrier in your life, then I think and you have that firm belief and conviction, you know that there will be hurdles that come, and you are able to cross those, then I think it becomes a fruitful journey for you. And as a person also, finally you are your own best friend. There will be people around you who will support you, who will say, give you advices. But at the end of the day, it is you who have to decide, or you have a choice. We are all bound. See, every woman's have their own situations, own circumstances, and I think I always believe that it's up to us to make the choices. So if I'm going to think like, what if I fail tomorrow, then I can't pursue my dream as an entrepreneur. So I think I would suggest, first is you make a start, small start, and along the way there will be hardship. You just have to have that enough belief and conviction to get through that.
तुमची कंपनी गोंयांत सुरू कित्याक जाली?
Why Goa? And I should say, why not Goa? Goa has got, in fact, I'm slightly diverting out of the topic, but I don't understand why really IT hasn't flourished in Goa. I find it the best destination to be in. Initially, before being an entrepreneur, I've been a digital nomad. So I think times are changing as well today. So it's not necessary that you go to the office and do the job. There are many companies who are working with remote employees. So I think Goa is the best place. You can just take up your laptop and sit on one of the beaches and just do your work, relax as well. So I feel Goa is a perfect destination. Yes, in terms of business, in terms of project, it doesn't matter, because finally you are working in IT, where the place isn't important anyway. So as far as setting, I feel I really don't have one particular reason to tell why Goa is not suitable for this, but I feel it's one of the best destinations for anyone to start their IT business. Yes, the infrastructure and all these things are important. So far for me, I have managed. So I think I would just give thumbs up to uh, you know setting up especially IT business in Goa, no matter whatever the hurdles. And I have seen a lot many companies being successful as well. So yeah, why not? Why not Goa? Goa has been my motherland, and I love being in Goa. I think one of the other reasons why I set up my business in Goa is because I don't feel like leaving Goa. As simple as that. I love my fish curry rice in Goa, and no matter wherever you go, there are a lot of Goan restaurants, but Goa is Goa.
गोंयचीं चेडवां बायलो जी एंटरप्रेनर आसात वो एंटरप्रेनर जावंक सोदतात तांकां कितें सांगूशें तुमकां दिसता?
Yeah, so there are numerous challenges anyway for any entrepreneur, and more so if you are a woman, especially when you have a family and have a kid also. But I think today there are two motivating things for us. Firstly, the world and the attitude towards women are slowly and gradually changing, with more and more women working and making their mark in their respective field. Secondly, we as women ourselves are getting more confident and assertive with better education and greater opportunities. Uh, for me, let's not get bogged down by societal pressures. Let us lead a life that we desire, because we truly deserve the best. And no doubt every woman's circumstances are different. However, the problems have a common thread of biases and prejudices. Pitted against this is the fact that every woman definitely has innumerous dreams and many aspirations. As I said, I don't take myself seriously. We're going to die and go. So the question is, what are you holding to? Okay. We have a long way to go for women's empowerment in India, but it will create a whole generation of citizens who are more inclusive in their thought. Okay. I think look inside yourself and you will find all your answers. Everything is doesn't come easy. It's hard work. You have to. Nothing comes without sacrifice and hard work. So you are your own best friend. So as in you have a choice, and I think women by nature are known to do multitasking as well. So I think entrepreneurship, yes, so far there have been a lot of many women entrepreneurs whom I have been inspired and I have taken this step up. So yes, why not? I think you can manage, provided you have the support of your friends and family and the conviction, the choice. It's up to the choice that you make, that you can decide. Yeah, being a woman, being a mother, being a wife, there are these added responsibilities. But I think it's all up to the choices that you make and how you deal with like obviously when you are looking after the baby. Uh, as a mother, your more attention or the number one priority for you is your child, of course. But having said that, I don't think your career aspirations also should take a back seat. There are ways, and if you can, I think there are ways where you can manage. Luckily for me, and that's where I'm saying the support system is very important. As I've said earlier also, my husband has been the pillar. He respects me, and so as well. I mean, I stay in an area where there are times when I have work and I have to leave my child with my neighbors, and they are happy to do so. So, close friends, family supporting me in doing all this, and I think that's when you tend to be, that motivates you. I can speak about today's incident only. When I was getting started for this interview, I expected my maid, who's my caretaker for my baby, to come, but she didn't turn up. And my husband literally took some time off, and he took care of the baby, and he had to go in. My neighbors poured in. So I think this support system is very important for you as well.
तांणी घडिल्ल्या प्रॉडक्ट्स आनी सोल्युशनाचे डेमो पळोवया.
Let me show you our company website, that is arbsolutions.com. We are a web development company and we provide fresh creative web services. So focusing on results, we use our technical skill and industry insight to help you meet your digital goals. The services that we provide is responsive websites, content management system, e-commerce, and our main focus is on SaaS, that is software as a service. Software as a service allows organization to access business functionality at a cost typically less than paying for licensed applications. So that's where our main focus is. Our most prestigious product is Surplice for a US based client. And what is Surplice? Surplice is an SEO lead generation platform that enables SEO experts to rent out web assets, as in websites or YouTube videos that rank high in local niches to local businesses. So there are two types of users here. We have the SEO experts and the renters. So SEO experts are basically our customers. They pay a fee to use our platform for their SEO lead generation, and renters are the clients of the SEO expert. They use our system to customize the web and video assets to their liking and their business to send the leads it generates their way. So Surplice features rent out websites which are hosted on any platform. Renter can edit anything on the page is added to the Surplice if page is set to page editor. The overlay or page edits are not visible to Google, so rankings stay unaffected by any changes done by the renter. Then they can even create ads. So you have the Rent Me ad creator. SEO experts can create site for rent pop-up ads and activate them on any page that he wants. Then they can even rent out YouTube videos. So import any video from as many accounts and channels as you want, and you can rent out videos and control what your renters can customize. Okay, they can renters can add tags, can edit video title. There's an advanced captioning tool as well. So this is what Surplice is. It's basically for the SEO expert. Okay, we have another product called as Fleca Money, and basically it's a super simple PayPal matrix per project where wherever you are running multiple projects on one or more PayPal accounts. So and you have a hard time separating income and expenses per project, then this is the product for you. So this will determine the performance per project and overall things. Yeah, so this is what we have. Yeah. Yeah, so this is some of the projects that we have done. Apart from that, we've also done e-commerce website and content management system as well.
तुमच्या ह्या सगळ्या कामां भायर तुमी आनी कितें करतात? तुमचे हॉबीज कितें आसात?
Apart from my work, I've always, now that I've made my work as my passion, I have got other passions too, other hobbies too. I've been a state cricketer, and currently I'm a selector for women's cricket here in Goa. So yeah, these are a few achievements as far as my cricket career was concerned. We won a tournament here in Goa, so this is the winners trophy, and this is very special for me because I've got the best bowlers award finally in that tournament. So it's been my life as a cricketer, and this has taken a backseat. Let me introduce you to my next passion. Yeah, so and this has been my other passion, that is biking. Right from childhood, I've been always been fascinated by motorcycle riding, and especially bullet. Any bullet on the road used to always attract my attention, and finally my husband gifted me this bullet on our 10th anniversary. So yeah, so it's very special to me as well. And we have a few biker groups that I have joined. We have got Biker Babes Goa, an all-women group, and as well as a few other Royal Enfield group that I ride, Royal Enfielders of Goa. And I have said this is my passion, but this is basically my stress buster. Whenever I need time for myself, alone time for myself, it's just me and my bike, and that's how I unwind.
गोंयच्या आवय बापायंक तुमचो संदेश कितें?
I think it's important for parents to support their child in whatever way possible, and IT brings in all those aids. Information technology does aid into fulfilling your child's aspirations, so support them in doing that.
तरणाटे गोंयकार जे टॅक्नॉलॉजी वापरून धंदो करूंक सोदतात तांकां तुमचो संदेश कितें?
I think I know a lot many people go out of Goa considering the job scenario or the opportunities. But I think if you can tap some opportunities and have the will, that Goa can throw a lot of possibilities as far as your career is concerned. So being in Goa itself, you can have a successful career and lead a satisfied life. Yeah. So chase your dreams, go ahead and just do it.
तुमच्या कुटुंबा बद्दल आनी तुमच्या भुरग्यापणा बद्दल कितें तरी सांगात.
I grew up in Savardem, and माझें एडुकेशन गार्डन एंजल हाय स्कूल एंड हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल जालें, आनी ताजे मागीर हांवें कंप्युटर सायन्स आय परस्यूड माय कोर्स इन चोगले, एंड सम ऑफ द ड्रीम्स जे आशिल्ले ते एक म्हणजे आय वॉन्टेड टू प्ले क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया, वीच आय कुडंट फुलफील, कित्याक I managed to play cricket for Goa, so that's it. And दुसरें म्हजें जें ड्रीम आशिल्लें हें म्हजें स्वताचो बिजनस किंवा एंटरप्रेन्योरशीप, so I'm happy that I'm able to fulfill my dreams here as an entrepreneur.
कॉलेजीन तुमी मस्त केल्ले ताजे बद्दल आयकुया.
So college memories म्हणजे I was so passionate about cricket की I hope none of my teachers are viewing this, if at all they are. I'm sorry about it. The thing is, I used to bunk lectures and go to watch matches on TV. But well, that's not my advice for the kids right now. But that's how passionate I was about fulfilling my dreams. And I think if you have passion and drive for something, then you can achieve what you set to achieve.
आतां तांच्या फॅमिली मेंबरांक मेळून तांचे विचार आयकुया.
Anuja, I'm really happy she is doing something, as a woman entrepreneur of her own. That is a very good thing. And that other women should take, lesson from her. ताजे कडल्यान शिकूंक जाय, ते कशें हँडल करता घर, and then even her job, what she is doing business. And secondly, marriage पयलीं she clearly told us, me and my family, that she will be doing business in IT only. Okay. Actually she was working and simultaneously she was doing some part-time job also. So as the days went, he suddenly said, I want to give up my job and I want to do full-time business. So I supported her in all her whatever decision she has taken. I supported her, and now she is doing really a good thing. Even she helps me in my own business. We are into interiors. We do all the interior works, as well as we have some interior products to be used in home interiors, office interiors. So आमची वेबसायट सुद्दां ताणें केल्या. ती वेबसायट इतली बरी जाल्या आनी आमकां इतली इन्क्वायरी जाता थ्रू वेबसायट ओनली, that I'm really happy with her work and what she is doing. about Goan, like people say wife should not work and they should be at home only. I am not absolutely not of that mentality. Whereas I will say जे ताणें शिक्षण घेतलां न्ही ताजो ताणें उपयोग करपाक जाय अबाउट ताजे शिक्षणाचो कित्याक शिकून आवय बापायन ताका इतलें शिकयलें तें घरान बसपा खातीर न्ही it has to be utilized somewhere, at least for a good cause, not for money's sake, not to earn money or something like that, but for a good cause. अशें म्हाका दिसता. Actually, I fully support her in whatever she is doing. I mean, expanding a business or whatever it is. Like I will be there with her, and that is like I have told her. So I don't have that male ego where women should not go beyond male days. I'll be more happy if she flourishes in life, and I would say like if there was a saying earlier, behind every successful man there is a woman. Now I will say behind every successful woman there will be a man.
गेल्या सुमाराच्या प्रश्नाचो जबाब जावन आसा ऑप्शन ए, म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेंट डिजिटल इंटरफेस. प्रश्नाचो सारको जबाब दिवन इनाम जिखपी जावन आसा सूरज सुरेश नाईक. आयच्या एपिसोडान दाखयल्ले कंपनी कडल्यान 1000 रुपयांचो फ्लिपकार्टाचो ऑनलायन शॉपिंग वाउचर गावतलो. ह्या सुमाराचो प्रश्न, URL हाचें फूल फॉर्म कितें? ऑप्शन ए, अल्ट्रा रिलायबल लिंकेज. ऑप्शन बी, यूजर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लायबिलिटी. ऑप्शन सी, युनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. ऑप्शन डी, युनिवर्सल रिसोर्स लोकेटर. तुमच्यो एंट्री तुम्ही बेरेस्तार मेरेन ह्या नंबराचेर ह्या फॉर्मेटान SMS करच्यो. एका मोबायल नंबरा वयल्यान आनी एका मनशान एकूच एंट्री धाडची.